Benefits of eating cauliflower. Cauliflower lowers cholesterol. It contains a lot of fiber, which helps to keep cholesterol levels in the body in check. Weight loss. Studies have shown that cauliflower keeps the brain healthy, reduces weight, and prevents various diseases including colds and coughs. Strengthens bones and teeth. Cauliflower contains calcium and fluoride, which are beneficial for teeth and gums. Its calcium strengthens bones. Prevents cancer. Cauliflower can prevent serious cancer. It contains sulforaphane, which kills cancer cells and prevents tumor growth. Cauliflower also has the ability to fight against breast cancer and colon and bladder cancer. Good for the heart. Cauliflower is good for the heart. It contains sulforaphane, which can fight against heart disease. Prevents diseases. Cauliflower contains vitamins B, C, and K, which help to eliminate colds, coughs, fevers, nasal congestion, and sore throat. Apart from this, all other necessary components of cauliflower also participate in disease prevention. Provides energy. This vegetable is rich in iron. Iron plays an important role in blood formation. Cauliflower is very important for pregnant mothers and people who do excessive physical work. Beneficial for hair and skin. Cauliflower is low in calories and high in fiber, which keeps hair healthy. Also prevents skin infections. Maintains good digestive system. Cauliflower helps in maintaining a good digestive system. Improves eyesight. Cauliflower is unmatched for eye care. Vitamin A in cauliflower improves eyesight. Cauliflower should be eaten more to keep the eyes healthy.